Hi all, welcome to Magic at Home. Today we're gonna show you a simple yet beautiful parrot decor for your pujas. So come, let's learn how to make this. The main item required are leaves. You can use any kind of long leaves that are available. The other items required are paper, tape, ribbon, beads, scissors, some red color paper and push pins. The first step is making the head for the parrot. Take a paper, roll it into a ball. Keep this ball inside another paper and make it into a bigger ball. This is the head. For the body, take a paper and make it into an egg-shaped roll. Keep this roll inside another paper and make it bigger. This is the body. Now secure the head and body with the tape and attach them together. Now take the leaves and sort them by size. Now start covering the body from the back in rows and secure it with the tape. Start with the longest leaves and keep reducing the size of the leaves as you go up. Repeat the same step for the next row. Make sure you overlap the leaves. Put as many rows as you need until you reach the head. To cover the head part, arrange the leaves in a flower shape and then secure them with a push pin. Spread out the leaves and bend them to the neck part and secure it with the tape. Now cover the neck part with small leaves. Now it's time to decorate. Put a ribbon around the neck part and secure it with a push pin. Glue 2 beads for the eyes. For the beak part, take a red color paper, fold it in a triangle shape and secure it in place. Now, the parrot is ready to be hung. Use a bead chain to hang the parrot.
Now the parrot is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more decor ideas. See you in the next video.